this is just a quick video to show the issues with the audio through the built-in Netflix and Amazon apps through the DX902. So this is a 65-inch DX902. It's on the latest firmware, which is 3232, and it's connected to a Pioneer AVR through HDMI 2, which is the ARC port. So let's have a look. So I'll just show you the settings quickly. So at the moment it's actually showing as speaker mode TV. So if we just change this to home cinema, that will just fire up the connection. There we go. So the amp's connected, it's in TV mode, and if we just shoot down here, we can see the SPD, the SP diff is set to auto. So I've got to leave it on auto for 5.1. If you use PCM, you only get 2.0. So we'll leave that on auto. So if we just go back to the app, let's just do play from the beginning. So it's currently configured for a 5.1 audio source. And we should hear in a minute the dropouts and the pitch. So basically this is what happens with a lot of content, all through Netflix and Amazon, and the built-in media player sometimes does it too. So it just seems to be an issue with timing or something. So if I actually change the app, oops, I don't know if you heard that, you get a bit of a feedback loop there sometimes. So if we change this to choose the 2.0 audio, that should work fine when it eventually kicks in.
From you so long, I should have known there'd come a day.
As you can hear, that sounds absolutely fine now. But that's only with 2.0 output. So if we change it back to 5.1, here we go, back to 5.1, and we should get the dropouts kicking again and the pitch change. It's just taking its time firing it back up. It's the 4K stream, this one.
Address unknown.
And now if I stop this, you should hear the feedback loop. There we go. Always a nice noise when you come out of there. So it always does this. Don't know if it's a timing issue in the firmware or the application, but the power cycle sometimes fixes it. So it's a bit of a pain, to be fair, that one. So it just means that you can't get the 5.1 audio out of the built-in apps, which is quite an issue for a lot of people. So if we just try Amazon, just pop into the Amazon application. Again, we're on firmware 3232. So it's the latest one in the UK at the time of recording this. Let's just pick something random. Where are we? Let's have a look. Let's just go for Mad Dogs. Let's just pick that. What sort of audio has that got? If we look at the information, so it's got 5.1 audio. So this is through the Amazon app now. Let's just see what we get. So this sounds better through the Amazon application. Oh, I might have spoken too soon. No, still got the dropouts. As you can see, it's quite obvious. It's not something that you can really miss. Don't know why this wasn't picked up in testing. Again, loads of issues with these sets. Pretty lax testing, to be fair. Let's go into the media player. Let's just fire up home. Let's just try something through there. Let's just pick something through here. Let's just go, I don't know. This is through the built-in media player. Let's just pick something. Let's say Amazing Spider-Man. To be fair, this is a DTS soundtrack, I believe. Oh no. Oh yeah, that shouldn't play, or if it will, because it's DTS, it shouldn't pass it through. But again, you can hear the dropouts again. So this is actually a DTS video, but because it's DTS, it just ignores the DTS track, and it's got a secondary 5.1 commentary track, which it's playing, and you can just hear nothing but dropouts again. Just to show what some people do, if we go back into the sound menu, if we just change this to TV, you should hear, at the moment I've got the TV volume on 0. But you can hear when that's basically, when that's turned up, no issues. I'll just turn the TV volume down again. Let's flick it back over to home cinema. The amp's just firing up. And we've still got the dropouts. So that demos the audio dropouts of the DX902. That issue has been in firmwares 3105, 3200 and 3232. So hopefully it's something that can be resolved. Thanks.